Hello everybody, good afternoon. Welcome to a financial Excel spreadsheet on bond valuation. This is the evaluate on the price of financial bonds, how to yield the bonds and the call out the bonds. So what is missing and that I need to calculate is going. Here to start with the interest cash flows. They calculate the discounted interest cash flows, principal cash flows, discounted principal cash flows, the sum of the discounted cash flows and the cash flows for calculation of the internal rate of return, which is IRR. And then you see inputs, star examples, star inputs to help me for the calculations for the sheet. That's the required rate of return, which will be included in the discounted sum tables. Okay, so let's get started and calculate the interest cash flows. This will require an if statement. Dollar signs, like always. Okay. Change that to 49. Okay, so that's very good. So discounted interest cash flows next. Okay. Very good. Here, now the principal cash flows, which I'll have to calculate two if and an if and and statements. So if statements will come first. Down in yours. Next one will be an if and and statement. Okay, and the next one. Okay, that's very good. Then the rest of this on tables all right down to 50 will just be the if and and statements, no more ifs, just two if statements that I need to do, and just calculate one of the if and and statements. Okay, so discounted principal cash flows will be the next one. G7. That's good. Okay, sum of discounted cash flows. Cash flows per calculation of IRR, internal rate of return. Plus also G8. Okay, so far. So what's next and what's missing is the rate and period. So I have to calculate the rate and period. Here's how to calculate that. Dollar sign B12 going to divide that by 2 times. It's by 5%. Okay, so now is the price and value of bond at the output. Net present value, NPV. Right, so the answer is 1 million euros. So what I need to do next is to go to the data table for the rate of return changes. As you see, there is nothing but beside the relevant percentages. And down below here is a chart. Basically, there is nothing been changed because I haven't yet been calculated the data table for the changes. So it's basically in a straight line. Once I calculate it, it will then go and change to its relevant percentages lines. So let's go and calculate the data table. So these are input in the chart. I cannot edit these sum tables because those are required data for that chart. What I do need to do is go over here and calculate the all the rate of return changes. So it's net present value once again. Okay, so here are the following euros for the percentages. Before I look at the chart, I have to calculate the net present value equals and the internal rate of return equals. Okay, now internal rate of return equals IR 7, 7. So 2 times 2 for 10%. Okay, now you see the chart's been officially been updated. So it's the seconds. So I'm going to create a chart and call it the Euro chart. Okay. Oh well, I don't want these grid lines to display in the page once I put that chart in. So to get rid of all these grid lines that are in this sheet, simply go into my View tab and then untick the grid lines box. There you see all the grid lines are now gone. So now I can now put this chart into that sheet. Okay, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so we're about out of time, so I will update and go to the start on the bond yield sheet, which is here, and then continue on for the bond valuation sheet. So thank you all for watching this so far. Hope you all stay safe, wash your hands, and have a good evening, and I'll see you all very soon. Adios.